Emma, oh my God, I missed you. Oh, Emma, I missed you so much. Hi. Did you have a good time with Grandma Green? Huh? Did she give you a bottle of antidepressants again to use as a rattle?
That was one time, Ross, and they were only like 5 milligrams.
Ooh, hey, Emma, Daddy has some presents for you, okay? Okay? I want you to wait right here. Come here, sweetie.
Oh. Ross, actually, there's something that I really need to talk to you about.
Okay, shoot.
Okay. All right, here's the deal.
Oh, no!
What is it?
Oh, major shampoo explosion!
Look, Ross, this really isn't easy.
Oh, it's all over everything! Why? Why me?
Because you took 300 bottles of shampoo?
I'm sorry. You were saying?
Well, yeah. Okay, look, it's about me and...
Oh, not another one! Oh, my... Oh, and this is moisturizer. It's even harder to clean! Why? Why do bad things happen to good people?
Wow. Well, clearly this is not a good time.
You think?